So now we are tasked to compare the numbers using either less than, a greater than, or equal to sign. So first, we have 6.8 compared to 6.088. So what I like to do is I really like to expand those numbers out. What I mean by that, I know that zero point 0.8 is the same as 8 tenths, which is the same as 80 hundredths, which is the same as 80 thousandths, which is going to be key when we go compare it to this number. So I know that 0.88 0.088 is the same as 88 thousandths. Now, all I have to do is compare thousandths with thousandths. And I know 800 is greater than 88. So for this one, it is going to be a greater than sign. Well, that one, A, was a give me. Now, B to E, we have some computations we need to do. So let's start off with 4.85 times 10 to the 4th. Regardless, let's review our views real quick. So I'm going to put a random number. So 7 times or divide 10 to the 3. So it's important with these rules that it only works when your exponent has a base of 10. Okay, so if you have a base of 10, as our following questions do, then this rule applies. So what is the rule? Let's review. So first, the multiply sign. The multiples, if you see a multiplication sign, that means you're moving your decimal to the right. If you see a division sign, you're moving your decimal to the left. And the exponent tells you the number of times to move. So let's now look at this problem. We have 4.85 times 10 to the 4. So we know that this is a multiplication problem. So we're moving our decimal to the right. And the exponent is a 4. So that means we're moving it 4 to the right. So our new number will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal will go right here. Put 0 in our empty jumps. Our new number will be 48,500. Now, let's look at the next number. We have 485.5 times 10 to the 3rd. So we know this is a multiplication, so it's moving to the right. It's going to move 3 times to the right. So let me move my decimal to place. 1, 2, 3. And look, it gives us the same number, 48,500. So for B, it was equal. All right, so now let's head to C. 0.029 is a multiplication problem once again, so we're moving to the right. 6 is our exponent, so we're moving 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me put my decimal places. So our new number is 29,000. Alright, so let's see the next number. Multiplication problem once again. So we're moving to the right. 3 is our exponent, so we're moving 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 0 in our empty jumps. So our number is 28,900. So as we know, 29,000 is greater than 28,000. But a way I like to do it is first start all the way to the right and compare number to number. Is 2 the same as 2? Yep. So you go to the next number. Is 9 and 8 the same? No. So which out of those two numbers, which one is greater? 9 is. So let us know that this number is going to be greater. All right, let's head to our next number. This time we have a division problem. So our decimal is now going to move to the left. And our exponent is 4. So we're moving 4 to the left. So let's move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making our number 6.402. Now this number, still a multiplication problem. When you don't see an exponent, that is the same as saying that the exponent is 1. So our decimal is only moving 1 to the right, making it 6.42. Well, I know 42 hundredths. 42 hundredths is the same as 420 thousandths. And 420 thousandths is greater than 402 thousandths. So for this one, our answer is less than. So let's head to our next one. So once again, we're doing another division problem. So we're moving to the left. We're moving 2 to the left. So let me move my decimal. 1, 2. Making our number 3,058. This one, multi-steps. You got 1, 2, and 3 problems that you need to put together. But for this one, you don't really need to worry about moving the decimals. You could just really, what do you know about these exponents when expanded? For example, 10 to the 3 is the same as 1,000. So we're doing 3 times 1,000. We know our number is going to be 3,000. Then we have 10 to the square, which equals to 100. And 100 times 5 is 500. And then 8 times 1 is just 8. And when you add those all up, you got 3,508. And 3,508 is greater than 3,058. So for this one, it's going to be less than as well.